Hello, fellow classmates. I'm here to talk to you about phosphorus. So, a lot of phosphorus-rich foods is going to be a lot of meats, especially. Meats are going to have a lot of meats. Poultry, beef are going to have a lot of phosphorus containing in them. But you can also find them in a lot of other items like mushrooms, soybeans. You'll find them in a lot of dairy product as well. It's a very, very common mineral. So what does phosphorus do? So it plays a very important role in the health of bones, muscles, kidneys, blood vessels, and it's very special in every cell. It works with calcium to build bones. Calcium and phosphorus are kind of like two best buds. They work very well together and are crucial in order to make things like building bones happen. They're involved in the body's energy projection, as well as the second most abundant mineral in the body. It can be found mostly in bones and teeth, assists with kidney function, muscle contractions, normal heartbeat, nerve signaling. Also got a very crucial role in the structure of DNA, RNA, as well as activating the vitamin B complex. So, um, being a part of a farmer's family, I know that a big thing for phosphorus with me growing up was matches. Matches are made from phosphorus, as well as phosphorus-rich soil, which is very well towards creating good plant life, as well as being explosive in its purest element. As far as food preparation goes, phosphorus is a very, very common item. It can be found in almost every food. It's going to be very difficult to denature, so cook it up however you need to, and it'll work just fine. Some cool facts about phosphorus is white fast phosphorus in matches is highly toxic and explosive. It's crucial to every cell and abundant in nearly all foods. Its recommended dietary intake of phosphorus is around 1,000 milligrams a day and it's very abundant, so the toxicity is very rare. But high intakes of phosphorus with low intakes of calcium can cause um, diarrhea, joint pain, heart problems, and fatigue. That's all.